Anyone can strap their smartphone into the virtual reality goggles and jump on board. You can share your aerial adventures with your friends and explore the skies together. The camera on the drone mirrors your head movements, allowing you to look around and explore from the skies. Sensors on the drone combined with cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology ensure that your flyby avoids physical contact with any objects, keeping your flying safe and easy. Share your aerial adventure with others through live video streaming via the Flyby VR app.